Hey guys, so I know it's been a while and this isn't even like a regular upload video. I'm not gonna make excuses, I'm just lazy, honestly. So I guess enjoy the random craziness that ensues after this. Thanks again for watching and don't forget to subscribe.
Oh yes, yes.
The enclosed sphere will open its protective crust, completing its 1,000-year task.
Uh-oh, he's coming. Uh-oh.
I got your ass now.
I'm just trying to sit here, drink my coffee, and this is what I hear behind me. Let's go get you. Oh, Buddha, don't hit. What are you doing? How do they have so much energy?
Can't go here.
This is like an hour later.
Try again. What that baby? I got you. Missed.
He's around. He's doing the Spider-Man web. Oh, Dada, don't knock over my coffee, please. Oh my God. God. My neighbors probably think that we're crazy.
What? Are you tired?
Oh my God, he's tired? Nope. It was a fake. Faked you out. Where'd he go? Damn, he's fast. Samuel? Oh no! Where'd Dada go? Where'd Dada go? Go get him!
Got it. Got it.
This is my life. That ass though! Oh, Dada, you're scared him for real. Get it, Buddha! Don't be a wuss. Get him. He's a butthead baby, Dada. Don't throw that car. Dada's gonna get you. And over the couch we go. Oh my god.
As a clergyman, I have no problem telling his most intimate friends all about it.
Break time! Snack time! Me.
Yet the pain was so intense that it felt to him like 15 years. As he goes without saying, it caused him to empty his body.
There's a lot. There's gonna be
trying to hide.
There's gonna be a lot of your ass in this video.
Why are you looking at my ass?
Because I can. It's all on video. Don't get me.
You're gonna delete that.
No.
What you plan on doing with
Why
it?
sound so cute, YouTube? Aw. I filmed it all front ways though, so it's gonna be a retarded video. You doing in the fridge? What are you doing in the fridge? What are you doing in the fridge, you fucking weirdo? Oh, my camera's really dirty. Hey! Hey, little sucker! Get out of the fridge! Yeah! Yeah! Get out of the fridge! Ew, that fridge is gross. Get out of the fridge! Go get Dada. Go get him. Damn. That is scary. Go hide, Dada. Go hide, Dada. Back there. See if we can find you. Close the gate, close the gate. Give yourself time to hide. Oh no. Whoa. Where'd Dada go? Where did he go? Let's go find him. Oh no. Shh. Go find him. Oh snap. Mama's not helping you. Mama can't help you. It's dark. Oh. Oh no! Where'd Dada go? Where'd he go? Oh, so classy. Oh no! Go find him. Shh, tiptoe, tiptoe. Bobblehead. Oh no! Where'd he go? Is he in here? Oh no, where'd Dada go? Where is he? Why are you coming over here? He's not back here. Go find him. He knows. He knows.
No!
Oh no, where'd Buddha go? I wish I would have got that. Damn it. Whoa. Where'd Dada go? Buddha, where's Dada? Where'd Dada go? Oh no, where's Dada? Where'd Dada go? Dada? Where's Dada? Your sister's grounded when she gets home. I told her to clean this room. Dada's not that skinny, jeez. Where is he? Oh no. Where's Dada? Is he in the bathroom?
No.
No? Are you sure?
No.
Are you sure? he doesn't see you. Where's Dada? Oh, he almost smacked his face on the door frame.
Did I scare you?
You found him? Yeah. What is Dada? Dada butthead baby?
Yeah, I was hiding.
Buddha, is Dada butthead baby?
I'm not going in there. You go in there.
Did you hear that little demon? Oh no, you better hide. You better hide. Here. Hide. Oh no, Dada, where's Buddha? He's hiding. Dada, he's hiding. Where is he? Uh-oh, he's coming. Where's Dada? Go get him. Oh, yeah. You scared him so bad he fell over. Alright, well, there's a little look into our mornings at my house and why it is a little crazy to film around here, even when it's just my 3-year-old home, because, you know, what you just saw. But thanks again for watching, and don't forget to subscribe. Thank you so much.